Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the shadows on your picture on the Prisma application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your gallery and tap to the adjust button next to the images icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can find the shadows option under the highlights function, and just click to the circle and just pile on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.